What up, nomads? As a Canadian who doesn't live near the ocean, my version of a summer getaway is the lake house. Not my own cottage, sadly, even though that's a personal goal of mine. But when I was younger, it was my grandmother's lakeside house, and as an adult, it's usually one rented on Airbnb. In this video, I'll share 3 ways to pack for a lakeside cottage trip. Let's go. When I pack for a weekend at a lake house, I try to plan around my activities, no surprise. Will I be going for walks around the lake, kayaking, building a campfire, or just reading magazines by the water all day? Depending on what kind of person you are, what the cottage is like, and your personal style, there are a few different ways to pack for a weekend at the lake. To be honest, I'm a mixed bag, but I hope you find this breakdown on how to pack for a lake house inspiring. First off, the Instagram blogger. Your idea of a good time is rosé and a good book by the lake. You want to kick back and enjoy the view, take in some sun, and get some good photos of your #summer days. Your vacation house is more house than cabin, with an excellent choice of lounging chairs, really great Wi-Fi, and a generous fridge for lots of amazing food and drink. Your packing list includes lots of linen, chic standout swimwear, a wide-brimmed hat, pretty sandals, and a straw bag. Your towel is perfect for flat lays, and everything is coordinated. You don't necessarily buy clothes just for vacation because a lot of your clothes are beautiful and lend themselves to your summer looks.
This first look is a matching black linen shirt and shorts. Because linen dries so quickly, it's a great set to wear near the water over a bathing suit. This is another take on a swimsuit cover-up. It's a gauzy dress that I've paired with patent Birkenstock slides, a hair scarf, brown woven bag, and my towel. With this look, I used the hair scarf as a decorative tie and threw some pants over a swimsuit for a bodysuit look. This is another beach look. It's a terry fabric dress worn over a swimsuit with a cotton hat and all my beach accessories. This last look is something I'd wear to dinner after a day in the sun. I love the ease and sportiness of this nylon wrap skirt, and the tube top keeps everything looking laid back and summery.
Capsule 2 is the camp counselor. Whether you're going to the lake with your family or a group of friends, you're going to have fun. Lakes remind you of camp, which is where some of your best childhood memories were made. You like playing charades by the campfire, swinging from a Tarzan rope into the lake, and staying up to watch the sunrise. Your ideal cabin has a fire pit, smells a bit woodsy, and has lots of vintage board games to choose from. Your choice of clothes is youthful and cozy. You wouldn't necessarily wear these items to work, so you're stoked that you get to sport your random thrifted t-shirts or that hilarious sweatshirt you bought on a whim. You expect to be a little active, so you'll want a swimsuit that stays on, shorts to run around in, and Teva sandals that are just a little sportier than flip-flops.
This first look is something I'd wear in between kayaking and playing cornhole in the backyard. I've paired linen shorts with a bathing suit top and sneakers with a nylon bucket hat for sun protection. This next look is something I'd wear while getting ready to hang out by the campfire. You can't go wrong with a graphic tee and denim shorts, and even in the summer, I always pack a sweater or a hoodie to throw on after I change out of a wet bathing suit. This look really taps into the camp vibes with shorts, a backpack, a large canteen, and a fun bathing suit and towel. This last look is something I might wear in the downtime in between activities, or even for dinner. It's a play off of the 90s revival trend of the moment, with some nylon cargo pants and the same bathing suit top and sandals from previous looks.
The next one is sporty vacationer. Being active is your happy place, so your ideal lake house vacation includes a lot of sports. You get up earlier than anyone else to do yoga, go for a run, and a walk around the lake before anyone else has gotten up. Your ideal lake house is near hiking trails and has lots of gear like kayaks, canoes, paddle boards, and mountain bikes. You like having the right clothes for your activities, which includes performance fabrics that keep you cool and that dry quickly. You'll want a bikini top that doubles as a sports bra. All your other clothing is some form of activewear and come from activewear brands, and even your casual t-shirt is merino wool or some performance fabric.
This look is something I could wear all day, with a bathing suit that has good coverage and doesn't budge, athletic pants, sneakers, and a fleece to keep warm. For downtime or even dinner, I love throwing on a long knit dress that is stretchy, cozy, and can even be styled to look nice. This third look is definitely one that's ready for adventure. I have my swimsuit outfit, baseball cap, a nylon backpack with my quick dry towel inside, and even water shoes. Sporty people might also have accessories like a smartwatch to track their activity and GPS location.
Let me know in the comments below which packing list was your favorite and how you'd describe your summer lake house look. Thanks for tuning in. Happy travels. Thanks for watching this video until the end. For more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the Capsule Suitcase and turn on notifications so you get all the fresh content as soon as it comes out. Thanks for supporting this channel. Happy travels!